In today's tooltip, we'll show you how to resharpen a compression router or an up-down type of cutter. So this is basically a compression router. You have a right hand and a left hand cutting, and this is mainly used in a woodworking or carbon fiber reinforced polymer type of material. So we have, from the add operation, you can add the ATM, which is the auto tool measurement, and this is specifically designed for compression router type of cutters. You can't use a flute from solid, but you have to use a flute polish operation. And when you use the ATM, you can't use any other digitizing operation because this is combined with all the digitizing operations like lead helix, end of tool, rake measurement, hook measurement, etc. So in the ATM, if you have manufactured this cutter on your machine, you only have to do the index position on one flute. But if this has come from a different manufacturer, you don't know what the helix is, then you have to do the helix angle measurement as well along with the index position. Now, in advanced page, you can measure the end rake, dish, center flute. If you have more number of flutes, to find the long and short flute. Hook angle, if you don't know exactly what the hook angle is on the flutes. And also core digitizing to find the diameter. You can also do flute length digitizing, and you can also do an extension as well. So there is a lot of features in this. The most important or critical part here is the knife edge width, which is the probe. Because you are doing a left hand cut and a right hand cut, if the OD is not coming right, you have to adjust the knife edge width to get the back OD or the left hand cut OD right, because you are using both edge of the probes and there is a knife edge at the end of this. So with this operation added, you should be able to resharpen a compression router tool successfully.